Oh, hello, this is Tak Chung from Walk with Tak. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and share. Please feel free to write me at walkwithtak@gmail.com if you have any question regarding this video or any other videos. And through email, I will be able to answer your question more thoroughly, and I will respond to you promptly. For those viewers who are interested to try my Wok with Tak basic seasoning mix, you will find the link below this video. Adam grew up in a family where home cooking was limited to holidays and special occasions. He grew up at a time when fast and ultra-processed food was expanding. American families embraced this new form of food. People love the convenience and the freedom they provide. A woman can be super moms, raising a family and having a career. They can avoid the kitchen and turn to fast and ultra-processed food when they run out of time. Now in his late 30s, Adam did not like his weight and he was worried about his hypertension and diabetes. He wanted to know what he put into his body. However, until now, he never sees the point of cooking. Why bother, he thought, when pre-cooked food was everywhere? Therefore, he did not know how to cook, and frankly, he was not interested in learning. Besides, he did not think he would ever enjoy cooking or become a good cook. Now, stir-frying changed his mind. Together with the fast cooking system, he has become a good cook. More importantly, he enjoys cooking. He now cooks every day, and surprisingly, he never seems to get tired of it. Every evening, he looks forward to enter into the kitchen. He feels empowered that in less than 30 minutes, he can cook a delicious meal. He loves the fact that he is going to have the best time of his day, no matter how tired and exhausted before entering the kitchen. Stir-frying is enjoyable when the fast cooking system creates an environment that will allow Adam to focus his attention solely on stir-frying. During the process, he could be creative, purposeful, and mindful, exercising his imagination. With all food ingredients right at his fingertips, Adam feels like an artist creating his masterpiece. Adam found advanced prepping is the most important reason that he cooks every day, with interest and enthusiasm. Without advanced prepping, cooking requires far more organization than he can normally muster. With advanced prepping, he is ready to cook as soon as he enters the kitchen. By knowing what he has on hand, he can think of possibilities, choose different options, and imagine new and creative combinations. He finds this exciting rather than repeating the same dishes. Every meal is an adventure, a new path to explore, and a new experiment. Adam also found advanced prepping taking away any excuses for him not to cook. He cannot use the lack of time as a reason to settle for fast and ultra-processed food. So with advanced prepping, he can cook a meal from scratch in about the same amount of time that he needs to secure fast food or ultra-processed food. And because of the health benefits of home cooking, he can now easily convince himself that home cooking is a better option. Adam recognized that home cooking is more work than eating fast and ultra-processed food. In fact, home cooking did not come easy to him, and he was unable to make home cooking the first choice in the beginning. Nobody can, because creating new habits is challenging, particularly a complex habit like home cooking. For many people, advanced prepping is most likely the critical step to remove the friction for home cooking, making the paths smoother and the roads wider. Adam now enjoys home cooking because stir-frying is a mindful activity. When you stir-fry, you must make many decisions. This makes stir-frying fun when you think about the possibilities and flexibilities of the process. However, making these decisions are stressful if the ingredients are unavailable or limited. On the other hand, if the cook can walk in the kitchen and has all the different ingredients to choose from, stir-frying is exciting and invigorating. As Adam becomes more experienced in advanced prepping, he knows what are the ingredients to have on hand that will allow him to exercise his creativity, originality, and imagination. Each time when he cooks, he can try different combinations and permutations. He constantly looks for ways to improve the outcome of his dishes. As an end result, he never gets bored, frustrated, or stressed with his cooking because he knows that each dish will be better the next time. I post a video each day to help you to make home cooking as part of your daily routine using my fast cooking system, which will make home cooking practical, efficient, creative, and fun. So if you'd like to learn more about my fast cooking system, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. So keep on cooking. I will see you tomorrow.